Hey Getty's nerds, in case you haven't heard, the winter lectures are back on video and they're going to be hosted on our YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed to Addressing Gettysburg's YouTube channel and you want to see the winter lectures this year, the only place you're going to be able to find them every week is right on our channel. So head on over and subscribe to it. It's free. It's free. You can subscribe and it's free, and it's wonderful. Now, usually during this time of the year, we post the audio versions of the winter lectures, and we don't put out any Ask a Guides. But we have tons of Ask a Guides in the can, and we'll be able to get through the winter. So you're not going to hear the audio versions anymore here on your favorite podcast app. Instead, they're going to be in video form on YouTube, and here on Addressing Gettysburg's podcast feed, everything is going to stay the same. So we're going to continue with our Ask a Guides and promos for our Patreon shows. So lots of Gettysburg for you this winter between the winter lectures and our Ask a Guides. So there's really no reason for you to be bored, frankly, during these cold, terrible, dingy, miserable months. So we're looking forward to you over there. And you know what? By the way, why don't you head on over to patreon.com/addressinggettysburg and finally do the right thing and subscribe. I mean, isn't it about time? There's so much more over there for you to learn. So much more. There's 4 episodes a month that come out for second lieutenants and above. That's right. 4 episodes a month. Whew, it's tiring. Anyway, see you on YouTube and see you on the battlefield.